Hello, I hope you're doing good. Today in this video we will learn how to create partition for hard drive on Windows 11 and also on Windows 10. We will do on both of them, Windows 11 and also 10. Now, on Windows 11, follow this step, click on Start, then go to File Explorer, then click this PC. Look here, I have one drive, it is drive C. For Windows 10 also repeat this step, click on Start, then go to File Explorer, then click on this PC. Look here also I have one drive, it is drive C. Follow this step are the same on the both Windows. Press Windows key with R. Look, it is RAM. Or come here on Start, click on RAM. Here type disk mgmt.msc, then press OK. Look, this page will appear. Now here I have one drive. I want to show you in Windows 11 also. Also type here disk mgmt.mcs, then press OK. Here also I have one disk. This drive and also this drive are for system. We don't have any work with this drive and also with this drive. We have work with drive C. My C drive is 42 gig. Just right click here, then go to sharing value. This process will take a few minutes. Now, here enter your amount of space on MB. It means we should specify how much disk we want. 1024 is 1 MB. We should specify by this. Now, I want to make one drive. On your search, type calculator. If we need 6 gig drive, then we write like this: 1024 multiplied by 6000 equal this one. Just write here 1024 multiplied by 3000. Okay. Now write this number here, 3072. 3072. It means we need 3 GB for one drive. Then click sharing. Look, now we create one drive. This drive has 3 gig space. Format this drive. Right click here, then click here, new simple volume. This page will appear, then click next. Put default here, click next. From here you can put one name for your drive. I want to put G. Okay, you can choose any of them. For example, I want to put F, then click next. Here choose NTFS because this format is new format. Don't choose FAT32, choose NTFS, then click next. Again, finish. Look. Now we successfully create this drive. I want to close. Open this PC. Come here. Look. Now we have one drive. It is 3 gig. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If this video was helpful, please like this video and share this video. See you soon. Have a good day.